You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To access the battery, first remove the cover of the air inlet protection plate. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the protection plate retaining screw. Rotate the air conduit anti-clockwise to remove it. You can now remove the plate and the air conduit. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Unclip the hull of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. To take off the battery cover, take the tab on the cover and pull it upwards carefully. With a socket wrench, a long extension and a 10mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Pull up the negative terminal latch to disconnect it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the fastening latch on the negative terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Put the battery fastening plate in place Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Refit the battery cover. Reposition the cover. Put the plastic cover back. Lock the positive terminal fastening latch. Put the air inlet protection plate back in place. Place the air inlet conduit back. screw the protection plate retaining screw back on. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.